Hello, and welcome to This Explainer. Did you know the average person spends over 12 hours a year just organizing and mailing paper bills? I mean, that's half a day entirely wasted. Today, we're going to give you that time back. If you use Lakeland Electric, your local municipal utility provider, keeping the lights on is obviously essential, but paying for it absolutely shouldn't feel like a part-time job. Let's transform this monthly chore into a super streamlined digital process. Seriously, let's be real for a second. Are you tired of constantly buying stamps, getting that stomach drop feeling worrying about checks getting lost in the mail, or getting hit with a late fee just because a manual payment took way too long to process? What if you could literally eliminate all those hidden time costs in just a few simple clicks? Well, the good news is, Lakeland Electric offers a digital ecosystem specifically designed to make your payments fast, secure, and honestly incredibly convenient. By pairing your physical paper bill with their digital tools, whether you're sitting at your laptop or scrolling on your smartphone, you open up a whole new world of reliability. So here is our roadmap for today. First, why pay online? Second, setting up your account. Third, navigating the payment portal. Fourth, exploring your payment options. And finally, number 5, troubleshooting and customer support. Okay, let's kick things off with Section 1, Why Pay Online? Going digital is basically like a protective shield for your account. Yeah, saving money on stamps and checks is great, but the absolute biggest advantage here is instant, real-time payment posting. If you ever find yourself up against an urgent disconnection deadline, mailing a check is incredibly risky. The digital portal ensures your balances update instantly to protect your service. Plus, you get 24/7 access to really dig into your energy consumption trends. And hey, if you prefer doing things on your phone, the official Lakeland Electric app takes that convenience a massive step further. You can grab it on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. It offers seamless biometric logins, meaning you just use Face ID or your fingerprint to pop right in. You can also enroll in eco-friendly paperless billing, report power outages in real time, and set up personalized push notifications so you literally never miss a due date again. Moving right along to Section 2, Setting up your account. Now, setting up your account is incredibly simple, but step 1 is definitely the most crucial. You're going to need to grab your latest paper statement and look right at the top right corner to find your unique 10-digit account number. Once you've got that, just head over to lakelandelectric.com, hit the sign-in page, and follow the easy prompts to create a secure username and password. Once you're fully registered or logged in, you unlock what's called My Account. You can think of this as your personal command center. It's this secure, centralized dashboard where you can manage multiple accounts, view all your past statements, schedule payments, and use data tools to learn exactly how you're using electricity each month. All right, Section 3, Navigating the Payment Portal. The whole system is brilliantly designed to be completely user-friendly. The moment you log in and check out the primary billing menu, there's absolutely zero guesswork. Everything you actually need to know about your current balance, your exact due date, and your itemized energy consumption is laid out crystal clear right in front of you. Let's dive into Section 4, Exploring your payment options. Okay, this is arguably the most important part of our setup today, figuring out which payment path works best for you. Your first option is My Account AutoPay. This is an electronic funds transfer that pulls straight from your bank account. And the best part? It is 100% free. You just have to be registered. Your second option is the Kubra EasyPay Guest Checkout. This is fantastic if you're in a rush and want to use a credit card, debit card, or a digital wallet without even logging in. Just keep in mind it does come with a flat $2.75 convenience fee per transaction. If you do go with that free automatic bank draft option through My Account, it's pretty slick. You'll still get a monthly utility bill so you know exactly what the charges are. Then, exactly 25 days from your bill date, the funds are electronically transferred. It truly is a set-it-and-forget-it system. One quick heads up, though, your very next bill will say Do Not Pay on it, meaning you still have to manually pay off any current balance you have right now before the automation actually kicks in. Now, if you decide to go the Kubra EasyPay route using a card or your phone, it's really helpful to know that the $2.75 fee isn't some sneaky charge from your utility company. Kubra EasyPay is a third-party vendor that processes those specific card transactions, so that fee goes entirely to them. Lakeland Electric doesn't make a dime off those transaction fees. Oh, and timing is absolutely critical when you're making these online payments. Always remember that payments made online or by phone before 6 p.m. Eastern Time will post to your utility account on that exact same business day. But if you pay after that 6 p.m. cutoff, it won't be processed until the following business day. So if you're ever sweating a tight deadline, make sure you hit submit before dinner. Let's wrap up the technical side with Section 5, troubleshooting and customer support. Look, sometimes things go wrong, and that's okay. If you run into web registration issues or weird server errors, here is exactly how you reach them. You can call their local number at 863-834-9535 or use their toll-free line at 1-800-929-4876. They also have an email setup, and their live agents are available Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. You might want to jot those numbers down. The customer support specialists there are known for being incredibly patient. They're standing by to walk you through password resets, portal headaches, or help you get those automated bank withdrawals properly set up. If your issue isn't super urgent, shooting them an email is great. Just expect it to take up to 2 business days for a reply. And hey, if you prefer doing things the old-fashioned way, you can always visit them for face-to-face help at 501 E Lemon Street. And finally, Section 6, Summary and Important Disclaimer. Let's do a really quick recap to bring it all together. Your whole journey starts with finding that 10-digit account number on your paper bill. From there, pick your path: the completely free auto-pay enrollment using your bank, or the super flexible Kubra Guest checkout for when you just want to use a card on the go. Don't forget to download the official mobile app to track everything in real time, and definitely call 863-834-9535 if you ever get stuck. Now, a quick professional disclaimer before we sign off. While we strive to bring you the absolutely most accurate guide today, things like vendor fees, such as that $2.75 charge, and operational policies can sometimes change over time. You should always refer directly to the official Lakeland Electric website for the most current information and terms of service. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Now that you have the exact knowledge and steps to automate this whole monthly chore safely and securely, I want to leave you with one final thought. What are you going to do with all that extra time and peace of mind? Dive in, get your account set up today, and take back control of your energy bill.